Top 5 crypto mistakes newbies make. Avoid these. Want to make money in crypto? Then stop making these 5 deadly mistakes. Most beginners lose cash because of these. But today, I'll help you avoid them. Stick around. Mistake number 1, FOMO buying. You see Bitcoin pumping, Elon tweets Doge to the moon, and you panic buy at the top. What happens next? Crash. The rule? Buy when others are fearful, sell when they're greedy. Use dollar cost averaging DCA instead of chasing pumps. Mistake number 2, ignoring security. You wouldn't leave cash in a paper bag, right? Yet newbies store crypto on shady exchanges or click phishing links. Always use hardware wallets, Ledger/Trezor, 2-factor authentication, not SMS. Bookmarked legit sites, no Google ads. One mistake can wipe you out. Mistake number 3, overtrading. Newbies think crypto equals get rich quick. They trade 24/7, pay insane fees, and get wrecked by leverage. Truth? Most traders lose money. The fix? HODL quality, projects long-term, or use simple spot trading. Slow and steady wins. Mistake number 4, skipping DYOR. Do your own research. Buying because a YouTuber said so is gambling. Always check tokenomics, inflation, team dumps, use case, real utility, or hype. Community, or just paid shills? If you can't explain it, don't invest. Mistake number 5, not taking profits. Crypto is volatile. If your coin pumps 10x, take some profits. No one went broke booking gains. Set targets, e.g., sell 20% at 2x, and stick to them. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Boom, now you know the top 5 crypto newbie mistakes. Avoid these, and you're ahead of 90% of traders. Drop a comment if you've made any of these. Smash like, subscribe, and let me know what topic to cover next. See you in the next one.